Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to scan your images and turn them into Word files. So the tool I'll be using is called FreeOCR.AI and it's a really great tool to use because it's really easy and just takes a few seconds. So if you'd like to use the same tool, go ahead and go to FreeOCR.AI, type that into your web browser, and you should be able to see this web page. So this is a great tool to have under your belt because it can save you a whole lot of time digitizing your physical documents into digital ones. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll be able to see some of the examples of what it's capable of. It can turn pictures of printed documents into editable ones and even get information from spreadsheets and properly format them. So I'll be showing you a quick demonstration. So let's go ahead and select an image right here. And let's say I want to turn this image into a Word document that I can edit. I'm going to go ahead and click on submit. And here underneath, you'll be able to see the results. So this is the text. I can save it as a text file, as a markdown file, or as a Word document. So it's fast and really easy. But this is a pretty clean example. So let's go ahead and show you what it would look like if it was something handwritten, for example. So here's a handwritten note. I'm going to go ahead and click on submit. And in a few seconds, you should be able to see the result. As you can see, it dealt without any problem. Even the particular formatting with, for example, the molecular formulas, it handled that without an issue. So it's really powerful and really accurate and reliable, which is why I highly recommend it. So again, that's free OCR.AI. Go ahead and give it a try if you like to do so yourself. That's pretty much it for this video though. It's really quick and really easy. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.